Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm trying the new Clinique Smart Clinical Repair Collagen plus PDRN cream, a moisturizer that's getting a lot of attention for its trendy anti-aging ingredients. The first thing I noticed is the texture. It feels silky, creamy, and luxurious, but it absorbs quickly without leaving my skin feeling heavy or greasy. My skin instantly feels softer, smoother, and more hydrated. This formula includes PDRN, peptides, hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and collagen. Hyaluronic acid and glycerin help boost hydration, making the skin look fresh and plump. The peptides help support the appearance of firmness, while collagen helps give the skin a smoother, cushioned feel. I use it after my serum as the final moisturizing step in my routine. It works nicely in the morning under sunscreen and at night when my skin needs extra comfort and hydration. My overall impression is that this is a beautiful daily moisturizer, especially if you love a gentle, fragrance-free formula with a luxurious feel. The PDRN and collagen ingredients are interesting, but I see this more as a hydrating and skin-supporting cream rather than a miracle wrinkle treatment. If you're looking for soft, glowing, well-moisturized skin, this cream is definitely worth considering.